Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will talk about 5 simple yoga exercises to stretch and strengthen. For the first yoga exercise, sit straight in Sukhasana and place one palm on the floor sideways. Lift the other hand up and stretch. Its benefits are calms the mind and strengthens the back. For the second yoga exercise, sit straight in Sukhasana and place right palm on the floor behind the back. Lift the left hand and place it on the right knee and gently turn towards the right. Observe the stretch in the waist area. Repeat the same on the left side. Its benefits are massages the abdominal organs, relieves lower back pain, neck pain, and sciatica. For the third yoga exercise, sit straight in butterfly position. Lift your head up gently and slowly lift the body back up. Its benefits are stretches the back and inside the legs, detoxes the kidneys. For the fourth yoga exercise, kneel on all fours and arch your lower back and torso, slightly bending at the hips both sides. Then arch it lower again and raise your head up. Breathe easily in and out. Its benefits are stretches the back and front torso plus neck and gently massages the spine and belly organs. For the fifth yoga exercise, kneel on all fours and stretch the right leg straight back parallel to the floor. Stay on that position for a few seconds. Stretch your left hand in the front and stay in that position. Relax and bring the hand and foot to previous position. Repeat the same with left leg and right hand. Its benefits are improves balance and activates core.